All right. So today we are going to jump into something that is going to give us, it's going to unlock a whole new world of capabilities in terms of what kind of programs we can do. And to me, that's really fun. To some people, it's a little overwhelming because every time we unlock new abilities, it gets a little bit more complex. And the complexity sometimes makes people feel overwhelmed. So remember, if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that the videos go online usually within a couple of days of me doing the lecture. And one of the best things you can do is, if you're feeling overwhelmed, is go back, and anytime that I'm coding on the screen, have that video up, watch a little bit, pause it, copy my code, and just follow along that way. That helps a ton. And that's part of the reason why I put the videos up, because sometimes I'm moving at too quick a pace and people miss a step or miss some information that's helpful to them. So always remember that that is available to you. So control structures. Control structures allow us in our code to make decisions. It allows our program to choose between executing this code or executing that code, which is sort of the basis for all interactive programs. And so we will be using control structures extensively throughout the rest of the class. And so what's a control structure really? A control structure can look like this, right? We're all familiar with the old school way of finding out in elementary school if somebody likes you or not, right? And you send them a note, really sly-like, and you want them to check one box or the other, right? And when they send it back to you, their response influences what your next move is, right? So if you get that back from your special person and they say yes, then you are a little bit more brave, or maybe you approach them on the playground and talk to them in person. You get your bravery up. And if they say no, you immediately burn the note and pretend like it never happened. Am I right? So, and you deny it to anybody who asks, "Hey, do you like so and so?" "No, I don't know what you're talking about. I was just curious."